Hello everyone. So now that you have saved your menu, the next step we're going to look at is how to update item description, item name, and pricing. So you can see that we have these multiple areas where we have pricing and item descriptions and pricing. So what you will do is double click on that and it will open up a pop-up box where you can see the name of the item. Obviously, anything that you see on the screen can be edited. So if this is not going to be Mac's sandwich for lunch, maybe it is for dinner. So just put that. It's a little bit expensive at $17. We're going to change this to $9.95. And let's say each tote includes your choice of sandwich and dessert. And so let's not offer dessert with this. And this is just going to be sandwich with the choice of fries or choice of side. Let's do that. And as you can also see, there are multiple items in this list here. So let's say pastrami big boy sandwich. We need to move that up. You will just drag it up there. Hold your mouse on this arrow in four directions, and then you can obviously slide any of these items top bottom. If you want to remove a particular item, you can click on that cross button there to remove that item from this list. If you want to add more items to this list, obviously you can click on add row and it adds a new row at the bottom. You can go ahead and add your new items. So this one is going to be uh, let's say sandwich platter. And obviously it has some description in there, and the price is going to be $12.95. You also have options on the side right here to change the price heading. Uh, Heading itself, which is the item name. I edit subheading, which is the description, and edit price 1, which is the pricing column that we see. Now you see just price 1. The reason that is because you can also change this pricing column into a multi-price column, where if you have items such as uh, small, medium, or large, you can go ahead and change this into a three-column pricing. And there you have it. You can add pricing for small, medium, or large. You can also label these columns. So if this is small, this is medium, and this is large. Obviously, you can type in anything you want. And again, you're not limited to just small, medium, large. There's multiple options. And you have also, as far as column pricing, you have 4-column pricing option, 2-column pricing option. So again, however you place your products, you can do this. Now, if you have some items that are small or medium and others are not, you can just leave those areas blank, so that is understandable. And then you also have options to edit the font and sizes and the colors for second price column here. So now that we have selected the second column, you have edit price too. Um, Again, so this is where you will add more items, edit your existing items, add description, or not have any description for that matter if you don't want to add description. Small to medium, multiple columns, pricing. You can move them around by using the arrow keys, and using the cross you can remove the items, and by adding the row at the bottom you can remove that. There are certain other options. We're going to go through those later. And once you're done, you will go ahead and click on modify. So here you are. Once you click on modify, you will see that we've added the option at the bottom. And for the last option, we did not add any price, obviously, but you see that it did go out of the screen. We can adjust this by just dragging and dropping this into place. Make sure it adjusts properly in the black space that I have there. You have some other options, such as under properties, you can again use the scaling feature here to scale this. You can clone this if you're trying to just replicate this and then add some other information. You have different options to lock this object. So let's say if you don't want anyone else to make any changes to it as they log in, you can log these objects. And opacity is basically if you have certain items where you want them to be visible through the background. Obviously, this is more of a design option, so we'll look at some of those options later in the training. But again, just at the first step, how do you change items and pricing information? Uh, by just double clicking on that box, and that's how you do it. So again, keep on watching, and thank you very much.